My name is Chris Farrar. I am the Director of Product and Partner Management for Tickets.com. Been with the company since 2004 and currently work out of my home in Central Connecticut. Registered Developer Program, or RDP, is our umbrella for any client or third party looking to develop against your consumer data services. So if you're a company like Vivo or Groupon that is looking to use our APIs to perform transactions in real time, if you're a CRM solution or dynamic pricing and you're looking for access to data feeds or a database replication to drive those applications, or perhaps if you're a client looking to build your own homegrown solutions to automate various business processes, those are the kinds of companies that we work with. Our registered developers really do run the gamut of the entire life cycle of a ticket. It starts with ticket sales. That's kind of the example that most people gravitate to initially. But we also work with access control, both for the venue and for parking, in terms of any sort of in-venue solutions, whether that's mobile ordering or stored value. Also then working from a reporting and a marketing standpoint. I mentioned CRM and the ability to really understand all the different touch points of your patrons and of your fans, and to be able to drive that into marketing campaigns and analytics, and then on the back end of it, drive that demand and supply flow into a dynamic pricing solution to better price your tickets to encourage then the next purchase. This year especially, we've seen a lot around mobile ordering. Towards the tail end of pod seating, we were seeing a lot of different applications around optimizing inventory and how best to seat patrons and to create those pods. And we've also seen a lot of very creative solutions from our client base to work with their own box office processes and automate them, whether that's in terms of identifying patrons of various categories, looking at purchase history, using database replication, and then applying our APIs to apply traits to those patron accounts or otherwise interact with those fans. Our APIs enable functionality from ticket purchase to access control, to managing system objects and dynamic pricing, to being able to understand event and patron data and to work with those patron accounts to update account details, apply traits, loyalty, membership, patron associations, you name it. Replication then gives our clients who are on their own standalone per venue instances and integrators that they're working with the ability to query from over 300 tables. Often you will find applications that bring the two sets of services together, making queries and identifying accounts or inventory in rep, making decisions based on that information, and then using the APIs to then return tickets or apply traits or take other actions within the system based on that decision making. I think in 2022, we're going to see a continued trend towards omnichannel distribution, towards moving tickets to where our fans and our patrons are, rather than a strict reliance on driving people to the venue's website or even the tickets.com website to purchase tickets. I anticipate a lot more activity in the broker space as they look to understand what tickets are on their account, and as clients and brokers try to establish better relationships rather than perhaps the two sides working against each other, working in parallel with each other as they have in the past.